Here there are two terms, one is ax, the other one is by. That's why we want to convert a in terms of b and x in terms of y. Whenever they give ratio, you cannot take the ratio itself, you take multiples. From your high school geometry concepts, you are thorough that sum of the angles in a triangle is always 180. Whenever they give anything in ratio, you take antecedent times x and consequent times x. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we will go ahead with the problems of ratios and proportions. If a is to b is equal to 2 is to 3 and x is to y is 4 is to 7, find 5ax plus 4by by 8ax plus 3by. So dear students, they gave a is to b. A is to b means I can take a by b. What is a by b? They gave 2 by 3. From this get the value of a. So similarly, they gave x is to y. X is to y means what? X by y. How much is given? 4 by 7. From this you can get the value of x. So they gave a is to b means a by b is given. A by b is 2 by 3. From this, what is a? A is equal to 2 by 3 divided by b. Transfer that side, it will become into b. So you got the value of a. So now x by y. So x is what? 4 by 7 into y. So you got the value of x. So now you got the value of a, you got the value of x. So consider what they want. So they want you to find 5a x plus 4by divided by 8ax plus 3by. Dear students, here there are two terms, one is ax, the other one is by. That's why we want to convert a in terms of b and x in terms of y. So now what is a? A is 2 by 3b. In the place of a, you put the value of a. What is the value of a? 2 by 3b. So that implies 5 will be as it is. In spite of a, you can substitute what? 2 by 3b into what? X. 2 by 3bx plus 4by divided by denominator 8ax. In spite of a, again write what? 2 by 3b. A is what? 2 by 3b into x plus, so at the same time you can also substitute for y. So now I substituted 5 2s are 10, 10 by 3 bx. So that is 10 by 3 bx plus 4by by 8 2s are 16 by 3 bx plus 4by, sorry, by 4by, both are, sorry, 3by, this is 3by. See here b matches and we have x. Convert x also, you know the value of x also. What is the value of x? In spite of x, put what? 4 by 7y. What is the value of x? 4 by 7y. Wherever x is there, put 4 by 7y. So in the place of x here, we will put 4 by 7y. So now 10 by 3 b into, what is the x value? 4 by 7y. 4 by 7y plus 4by divided by 16 by 3b into, what is the value of x? 4 by 7y. 4 by 7y plus 4by. Now simplify this further. So that is 10 into 4, 40. 40 by 7. 3s are 21 by. So I am multiplying. 10 4s are 40, 7 3s are 21, b into y is by plus 4by divided by, in denominator 16 into 4, 16 4s are 64 divided by 7 3s are 21 by plus by, sorry, 3by. Denominator is what? 3by. This is 3by. So simplify this further. Now you can take by common. In numerator, by if I take common, I will be left out with 40 by 21 plus 4. In denominator, if I take by common, it will be 64 by 21 plus 3. Now further simplify, you can cancel by. So 40 by 21, take LCM. LCM is 21. 40 plus 21 4s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 84 divided by, again 21, 64 plus 24 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 63, 21 into 3. So now denominator is 21, 21 cancels, you are left out with 40 plus 84 divided by 64 plus 63. So 40 plus 84 is 120 4 divided by 64 plus 63, 127. So 124 by 127. Dear students, here when you observe, they want 5ax plus 4by by 8ax plus 4by. I will try to convert ax in terms of by. So in order to convert, see there are 4 different variables a, x, b and y. It is difficult to simplify. So retain by as it is, convert ax. So how to convert? They have given a is to b is given. What is a is to b? 2 is to 3. So a is to b means a by b is 2 by 3. From this get the value of a. So b you transfer to RHS, it will become 2 by 3b. So wherever a is there, you can put in the place of a, put the value of b. What is the in the place of a, put the value 2 by 3b. Similarly, x by y, they gave x is to y is 4 is to 7. Take x by y is 4 by 7. Transfer y to that side, so x will become 4 by 7 y. So in the place of x, put the value of 4 by 7 y. That's what we have done. In the place of a, 2 by 3b. In the place of in the place of x, 4 by 7 y. Simplify, you will get the required answer. So convert one variable in terms of other. I converted a in terms of b and x in terms of y. I substituted, and by retain it. Don't disturb by till end, so that you can take by common from both. So by cancels and remaining part you take LCM and simplify. You will get the answer as 124 by 127. Now the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5. Find the angles. They are told angles are in the ratio. Whenever they give ratio, you cannot take the ratio itself, you take multiples. So now let the angles be, 3x, comma 4x and 5x. So we should take a multiple, 3k, 4k, 5k are 3x, 4x and 5x. These are the angles. So we know that sum of the angles of triangle. What is sum of the angles of triangle? 180 degrees. So in a triangle we'll have 3 angles. If you add all the 3 angles, it will be equal to what? 180. Sum of the angles of a triangle is what? 180. So suppose any one of the angle is 3x, the other angle is 4x, the other angle is 5x. Sum of the angles of a triangle is what? 180. So we'll take that. This is the basic you should know. Sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to what? 180 degrees. So therefore, taking that as the criteria, so 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to what? 180 degrees. Is equal to what? 180 degrees. Now 3x plus 4x is 7x, 7x plus 5x is 12x, 12x is equal to, that implies 180 degrees. From this get the value of x. What is the x? X is equal to 180 degrees divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 5s are 60. So x will get 15 degrees. So first your task is to get x. So to get x, what is the basic we have taken? Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. That they don't give, you should know. So from your high school geometry concepts, you are thorough that sum of the angles in a triangle is always 180. If you add all the angles inside a triangle, it is 180. So 3x plus 4x plus 5x is 180 degrees. That is not given. So you should know that prior. So that we'll add and we'll get the value of x. What is the value of x? 15 degrees. Now they're not interested in x. They want to find the angles. So therefore the angles are 3x, 4x and 5x. That is 3 into 15 degree, 4 into 15 degree and 5 into 15 degree. That is 3 into 15 is 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 75 degrees are the angles. I hope all of you got this. Sum of the angles in a triangle is how much? 180 degrees. When you add all the angles in a triangle, how much you should get? 180 degrees. That is a basic. An article is sold at 40% gain on cost price. 40% gain on cost price. And find the ratio of selling price and cost price. So they told at what rate they sold, and they wanted to find ratio of selling price by cost price. So dear students, they have not given cost price. So first assume, let x be the cost price. Let x be the cost price. So CP or cost price is equal to what? X. Cost price, we assume it as what? X. Then selling price. So first they told gain 40%. So gain or profit both are same. So gain is 40%. 40% means what? 40% of cost price. Means gain is what? 40 per means what? Divided by cent means what? 100. 40% of cost price. What is the cost price? X. 40% X. So you can simplify this. 0 0 cancels. 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 by 5 X is the gain. So you got gain. Gain is also called as what? Profit. So now you know they want selling price. They want ratio of, see in the question they want you to find ratio of selling price by cost price. They want SP divided by CP. They want a ratio of selling price by cost price. This is the question. Ratio means divided by. They want ratio of selling price to the cost price. So cost price will take it as X, and selling price. So selling price, how to calculate? Selling price is equal to cost price plus gain. What is the cost price? X. And what is the gain? Gain is 2 by 5x. 2 by 5x. So if I simplify, 5 is the LCM. 5 into x is 5x plus 2 into x is 2x. 5x plus 2x is what? 7 by 5x. This is the value of what? Selling price. So now you got cost price is x. Now you also got selling price is 7 by 5x. So now ratio. So we'll take ratio. They want you to find ratio. So ratio of selling price to the cost price is equal to SP divided by selling price by cost price. What is selling price? 7 by 5x by what is the cost price? X. So x cancels, you are left out with 7 by 5. So therefore ratio is 7:5. Ratio is what? 7 by 5 or 7:5. Means we are selling it at 7 pieces price. The cost price is what? 5 pieces. So like that you can compare. So ratio is what? Comparison. Simple. So they wanted to find a ratio of selling price to the cost price. So assume cost price. What is the cost price? X be the cost price. And what will be the selling price? Selling price is what? If you are getting gain, selling price will be always cost price plus gain. If you are in loss, cost price minus loss will do. So now selling cost price plus gain, you simplify, you'll get the answer. Hope all of you got this. Next, if the monthly incomes of A and B are in the ratio 3:4, incomes are given, they are in the ratio 3:4. Expenditures are in the ratio 1:2. They have given expenditures also. Expenditures are on the ratio 1:2. If each saves 1000 rupees, find monthly incomes. Savings they gave 1000. Monthly incomes they want. So first they gave what? Monthly incomes. Monthly income of A and B. So income ratio. Let me write income ratio. Income ratio is given. What is the ratio? 3:4. And expenditure ratio they give 1:2. Expenditure ratio is also given, that is 1:2. And savings also given. What is savings they give? Savings is 1000. So before we go to this 1000 rupees, they gave it in rupees actually. So 1000 rupees. So before we go to this, first what is expenditure? Expenditure means amount left out after you. The expenditure means amount you spent. So now if I want expenditure, so out of income, whatever you saved, remaining you have expended. So I can say income minus what? Expenditure. In income minus savings. In income you remove savings, you will get expenditure. See, suppose I earn 1000 rupees, I save 200 rupees. I earn 1000 rupees, so I am earning how much? 1000 rupees I am earning. This is my earning or income. I am saving 200 rupees. 200 rupees I am saving. So how much I have spent? So I am spending remaining. Remaining is what? 800. 800 rupees is my expenditure. So if you want always expenditure, income minus saving if you do enough. That's it. So whenever they give income in ratio, whenever they give anything in ratio, you take antecedent times x and consequent times x. So 3/4 means you take 3x and 4x. So they say earlier angles they gave 3:4:5. We took 3x, 4x, 5x. So now income they give 3:4. So let us assume. Let 3:4 they told. So let 3x and 4x be the income of A and B respectively. Income of A and B respectively. So why I should take this? Because they give ratio. They give income ratio of A and B 3:4. So assume the incomes as what 3x and 4x. Whenever they give in ratio, you should take the x times. Don't forget, this is the key step. Then they want expenditure ratio. So expenditure ratio. So I'll take expenditure of A by expenditure of B. This is a ratio. This is what they want. That is what income minus savings of A, that is income of A minus savings of A by income of B minus savings of B. So what is the income of A? Income of A we assumed 3x minus what is the saving? So both are each saves 1000 means both are saving 1000 minus 1000 divided by what is income of B? 4x minus he is also saving 1000. So remove 1000. So simplify this. This is the value. So now 3x minus 1000 by 4x minus 1000. They give income ratio. So given, what is given? Given 3x minus 1000 divided by 4x minus 1000 is income ratio they gave in the problem. What is the income ratio given? 1:2. So income ratio is what? 1:2 given. So equal to 1:2. Cross multiply. 2 into 3x minus 1000 is equal to 1 into 4x minus 1000. Further simplify. 3 2s are 6x minus 2000 is equal to 4x minus 1000. So rearrange. So 6x minus 4x is equal to minus 1000 plus 2000. Now 6x minus 4x is 2x. This is 1000. And x is what? 1000 divided by 2. X is 500. You got x value. They are not interested in x. They want you to find what? Monthly incomes. So therefore, income of A is 3x. That is 3 into 500. 3 into 500 is how much? 1500 rupees. Rupees 1500. Similarly, income of B. So income of B. What is income of B? Income of B is 4x. That is 4 into 500. X value you got. So 2000 rupees. So therefore, rupees 2000 is income of what? B. So they want incomes of A and B. We got incomes of A and B. Two numbers are in the ratio 6:7. Two numbers are in the ratio 6:7. If the difference of their squares is 117, find the numbers. So dear students, if they tell ratio, assume them as x times. So now let the numbers be. Let the numbers be 6x and 7x. So I'll assume the numbers. If the difference of the squares means what? 6x square minus 7x square is equal to 117. So 36x square minus 49x square is equal to 117. Simplify this. We'll get okay, difference of the square. Sorry. See, when they ask you to find difference of the square, take higher value minus lower value. You know, obviously 6x will be smaller and 7x will be what? Greater. So difference means minus. Of their squares means 7x square minus 6x square. I am taking positive square minus means more minus less. So in 6:7, the number 7x will be greater than 6x. So 7x here, if it is sum, however you want, you can take, because addition is commutative. But in subtraction, so we'll take higher number square minus smaller number square. That is 49 square, 47 square is 49 x square, 6 square is 36 x square. So now 49 minus 36, 13 x square is 117. So x square is what? 117 by 13. So simplify. X square is equal to 117 by 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 nines are. So x square is equal to 9. X is equal to root 9 plus or minus. So we'll take plus or minus 3, but I'll take positive 3 because the numbers I'll take positive. So therefore the numbers are, we took, what are the numbers? We took 6x and 7x. 6x and 7x, that implies 6 into what is x, you got 3, and 7 into x means 7 into 3, 6 3 is 18 and 21. Therefore 18 and 21 are the numbers. So what is the conclusion here? Whenever they give ratio, you assume them that many times x. So now if you take the ratio 18 is to 21, you will get the, so you can verify. I told you many times you can verify, it's not necessary to verify. So if you take the ratio, you should get 6 is to 7. So 18 is to 21, 18 is to 21, if I take the ratio, that is 18 by 21, 6 3s are 6, sorry 3 6s are and 3 7s are. So I am getting 6 is to 7. So whatever we got the numbers, these two are right when I verify. So verification takes 2 seconds. It is easy to verify, so verify it. So I hope all of you understood this. I'll see you in my next session. Please practice all this problem and become thorough. Thanks for attending. Thank you.